Hi everyone, my name is Donnie Lowy. I'm here at CloseoutExplosion.com. I have a wholesale closeout business from Brooklyn, New York. The next time you visit, you are welcome to come here. If you have any family or friends nearby, they are welcome to visit as well. And you can also order by WhatsApp or by the website. My WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. I want to show you a sample dress lot to give you an idea of what you could expect when you place an order for an assortment of dresses. Keep in mind that you're welcome to come here to make your own selection. I could also send you pictures. We could do a video call as well. And this is an example of a lot where someone is getting an assortment. Okay? So first we have a dress here by ILE, color green, size 16. Original retail is $79.99. Okay, it's a long evening dress. Next we have an R&M Richards dress. The top portion of the dress is solid black. The bottom of the dress has a chiffon type material, and it is black and white. The size in this dress is 18W. Next we have a two-piece R&M Richards dress, petite, size 8. As you can see, it's a dress with a matching jacket. There are sequins on the dress. Next we have another R&M Richards dress, size 910, color wine. It's an off-the-shoulder dress. Keep in mind that the selection that I have changes very frequently. We have a dress set, two-piece dress set by Rosin Alley. Size 14, made in USA of imported fabric. Some of these dresses are made in the USA. It comes with a necklace, a fashion necklace. Next we have here a Morgan & Company dress, size 18W. Long evening dress, sleeveless dress, ties up in the back. Made in USA. Colors taupe, ivory. Next dress we have is the same dress, the one I just showed you. Sometimes you have, as you can see, the same style, but in different sizes. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have color white dress. The specific color is ivory nude, size 18W. It's the same style as the one that I showed you before, just a different color. Okay, we have here a Morgan & Company dress. It's a good classic New York brand. This dress is size 10. It's very nice workmanship that went into this dress. It has a see-through appearance to it, but it has lining, so you can't see through the dress. It has sequins on it, glitter as well. Let's look at what the color is technically called. It is called Wine Nude. Okay, this dress is by Morgan & Company. It has an open back to it. It's an evening dress. Let's look at the size. Size of the dress is size 16. Color is ivory nude. It's a beautiful, beautiful evening dress. Color navy. Size 18W. Okay, now we have an R&M Richards women dress, size 14W. Comes with a fashion accessory. It's a long sleeve dress. It's relatively a short dress. Okay, let's look for the color, the official color of this dress. Color navy, size 14W. So as you can see, I have many more dresses, and you're definitely welcome to come here in person. You can see them all. You can make your own selection when you come here, or I'm happy to make a selection for you. We could do it together as well by WhatsApp. And my phone number is 917-913-6093, 917-913-6093. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Please visit their website, closeoutexplosion.com.